Order fill.
Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Monday, June 3rd, 2024. We're going up with the market. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern. V pattern, wide state, H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QT here.
There's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to manage this setup moving forward. This is turning into a C-type retracement, so if the price continues to go up from here and explodes, we'll lock in about $1.25 worth of profit and let it continue. High probability, if it continues to the upside, it will run up to the 200 moving average on the 1 minute chart. Now that the price has gone up $2 since we entered this setup, I want to go over a second chance entry that one could have taken if they didn't take the setup that we took when we took it. H pattern. H pattern. H pattern. 555. So if you missed our original entry, this could have been a second chance entry for anyone else.
Order fill.
And there's about a $3 move on our entry, and it puts you about $1.50 up if you took the second chance entry.